We want to expand this pair of brackets. We could do this using a grid. We would use a 2 by 2 grid for this pair of brackets. To the left, write down root 2 and the plus 2 root 3. Above, we'll write down the root 2 and the minus root 3. Root 2 times root 2 is 2. Root 2 times minus root 3, if we have root 2 times minus root 3, we know a positive times a negative is a negative, so minus root 2 times root 3, which is minus root 6. The 2 root 3 times the root 2 is going to give me plus 2 root 6. And then 2 root 3 times minus root 3 is going to be a minus. Root 3 times root 3 is 3 times 2 gives us minus 6. So we have 2. The like terms, minus root 6 plus 2 root 6, give me plus root 6. And then the minus 6. And then to tidy, 2 take away 6 is minus 4. So minus 4 plus root 6.